Good morning friends, welcome back on Be Creative channel. I received a gift from Fundu Labs Creative Learning LLP. Let's unbox it. ये एक कैंडी स्लाइम किट है DIYScience की तरफ से। इसके MRP है 699, लेकिन स्पेशल ऑफ़र में 499 में मिलेगा। ये फ्रूटी फ्रेगनेंट स्माइली फन किट है और ये एज 6+ वालों के लिए है। एंड इट कंटेन ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मेकिंग स्लाइम। इनकी वेबसाइट है www.diyscience.in. लेट्स ओपन इट. It is easily available on Amazon. Link I have shared in the description box. You can check from there. This kit is safe for kid, eco-friendly, non-toxic, no sharp tool and no battery charger required. This kit helps kids to develop some important 21st century skill. इसके अगर पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो ये बहुत ही सस्टेनेबल, कॉम्पैक्ट और टेम्पर प्रूफ पैकेजिंग है विद नीटली अरेंज आइटम. This kit also include interesting scientific learning concept for children about chemical reaction, polymer, fragrance, etc. And also there is tips and tricks to make the best possible slime and how to maintain it for a longer time. And there is also a manual to make a slime and a thank you card. We get 3 containers which is reusable, and also the small container which is for slime topping. It also can be used for small imitation items, jewelry, craft item, etc. And the especially fruit slice which is made of polymer clay. By using this moisturizer we can make a true non-sticky slime. And this is a PVA slime glue in 3 fruity fragrance and super clear slime activator to make stretchy, fluffy and fragrant slime. It is a thick glue which contain less water. Get started. First wash your hand. Then I am taking this strawberry flavored glue and remove the seal, and then take the required amount of glue in the container. And after that, drop by drop you can add slime activator with the help and mix it with the help of craft stick available with the kit. Now slowly add the slime activator a few drops at a time, stirring quickly and continuously with the craft stick till the slime is of required consistency and stop sticking to the wall of the container. The more you stir, the better your slime will be. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like the video, please like and share. You can also buy this product directly from the website www.DIYScience.in, and especially for my subscriber, you can use my coupon code BeCreative to get the 10% flat discount on the product and also eligible for free shipping. Link has been shared in the description box. This point you have to apply the moisturizer provided in this kit on your hand and started to knead the slime. Stretch and fold it many times. This will help to make the slime consistent and fluffy. Design your own unique candy and decorate with some fruit slice and colored sprinkles. And store it in a container and close the lid. Make 2 more batches of slime using the other 2 glue bottle. You now have orange slime, yellow which is pineapple slime, and pink strawberry slime. The best thing with this kit is that it is less messy as no need to add a water and external coloring for making a slime. And this kit include each and everything to make a slime, like no extra item is needed, not even water. You can see how soft and stretchy slime we have made from this kit, and depending upon your choice you can design your own candy using the slime and decorate it as per your choices. And when you have finished playing with your slime, store it in its container and close the lid, and don't forget to wash your hand with soap. Now our 3 flavored candies are ready to play with it. Thank you. Bye bye.